one's stuck. All right, so this is an E12, right? Yeah, this is an E12.
Yeah.
Let's get these 4 bolts out of here.
There we go.
I got 1, 2, and a 4th one. All right, now we're good. Those. We've taken out these 2 bolts. From here, from your lower what's this, control arm. Yeah, so or axle, whatever you call that. But yeah, so these were 19s and we use a 19s and a 20. I think we tried so many damn.
I used 3/4.
Yeah, so we used 19s, 21s, and then we used the 3/4 because man, they just weren't coming out. So we just had to alternate between numbers to kind of get a snug fitment. But those are out. We're just gonna go ahead and start lowering this, and then we should be good to take this out like we did on the other side. So right now it's loose. Okay, we get our suspension out finally. God dang.
Oh, yeah. See what we did wrong last time.
What happened? So this is flexing, right?
It's nice.
So wait, so you can still rotate?
No, I can't.
Oh yeah.
Not until we take off.
Okay, so this is still slanted up top, so we gotta get it back on there the same way.
Just like that.
Right. That's what we right. This is what we took it out.
Yeah.
Just like this. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, just like that. We took it out. We're just gonna compress it now and get this spring off here. Gotta put it under control arm, right? We get it here.
Hey, no, you gotta go under.
Under. Okay. Yep.
Oh, wait, hold on. Bring it back. Ah, my fingers are there. All right. Now, I'll let you know when to twist it and where to twist it to.
I think the holes are lined up.
Yeah. Right there. Yeah, right there. Push that the same way again. All the way. Keep going. Right there, right there.
Damn.
Down?
Oh my god, it's right there. But it's like really down a little bit. It's like right, it was half an inch, like it separates it. And I can't move this fucking thing in or out.
Is it close enough? Or?
No, it's not close enough to have.
Alright.
It's like slightly.
Does it go up or no?
Go down. Not
Oh,
shit, not fast. Yeah.
Good?
Yep. Get off, bitch.
On this.
Damn.
You know what that means, right?
Back's done.
Back's done, bro.
Just gonna go and pop these little.
Does the car feel any different or not?
The rear feels a lot stiffer than the front right now. Like you could feel the suspension difference. Like the front seems to be a little bit more wobbly now.
Yeah.
And the back feels like a lot more planted, especially at higher speeds. So yeah, just gonna finish the fronts today. So pop these little screws out and things. This side is like attached to the I think the hood latch thing. So we're just gonna take that one halfway, but you can still access the bolts though. These are E12. Yeah, these are E12 bolts, and you have 3 up top.
Oh, great. Oh, this might work. No, this will definitely work.
That'll work.
Oh yeah. This one, yeah, they'll.
These wheels off, and this one just stays right over here until we're done. Oh no! Let's put this one flat. So damage your wheel. Yeah. So now we could pretty much start to get this off. A bunch of wires are here. So undo these. Undo this little clip right here. So holding these are held on by 2 screws. So you have to like use a, what is it? I think that's an 18, and then you put like an Allen key in here and turn it simultaneously. Get that off. And yeah, we'll get this started. Huh? Is it turning?
Oh, it looks exactly like where it was at before.
So we need a 19 and then the screwdriver.
Let me switch position real quick.
Okay. No? Yeah, this one just takes a little bit of time.
Fuck.
Off?
Yeah,
That was
no.
good. Okay, so
Yeah, we're good here. Put this bitch back on here.
yeah, that's just your leveling sensor. Holly said just removing that so you don't break it. And
Bitch, go back on there.
yeah, just put the screw back on once you're done so you don't lose it. But yeah, that's leveling sensor. We got the control arm.
Nice.
Or the sway bar is off. So we disconnected that right there. Top. That was what we had to get off with the using a pass-through wrench. It's a 19 size and an Allen. That's how you get that off. All right, so we got 2 spindle spinners or spindle spreaders in here. One right here, one on the bottom, and the back side of the suspension knuckle. Doesn't look wide enough to me, but let's see if that works. That's probably your only saving grace right now. Oh shoot, it does work. It does work. Dude, that thing moved like all the way. Look at that.
There we go.
Amazing. Now we need our jack under here.
Yeah, let's get
Where's the
jack.
Let me grab this one. We gonna have to put this one back in there. Get it on. It don't really matter. As long as it's off. Put it under.
I'm not gonna put too much pressure.
Yeah, just put it at the... Put it right here, control arm. I get it under.
I can't see it. Just put me.
Okay, you're good right here. Just jack it.
Alright, it's touching the
Yeah.
shield first. That's fine. It's
It don't matter. The shield can be bent out. Straighten that back out. But it's good right here. And now we're just gonna loosen our E12s top.
Yeah, where's that?
There's 3 bolts.
Is it this one? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have the E12s in that. Let me grab this plastic.
We didn't do much to any damage.
Here we got our H&R springs. Huh?
I'm looking at this. We didn't do much damage at all.
Yeah. That thing is pretty solid. It's pretty tough. So here's the H&R springs. It doesn't seem much lower than the one on the vehicle already. If I know anything much about springs, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's definitely lower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, it's definitely lower though, because you can tell in the back. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get this off. These are bump stops, so retain those. And yeah, we're gonna clamp this. And we have our clamps right here. And that's when this comes into play, because you need like a pass-through socket to kind of get in the top. So you can get in the top up here and then use an Allen with it to loosen the top part.
Oh, we got one of these.
All right, let's do the next side.
Go from here to there.
Yeah.
I think you slide it in first and then. Yeah, slide it in from the top.
Get it adjusted. What are those damn things? I don't know which way it's lining up with.
Can you see it or no?
I can see, but I don't know where it's lining up. Lining. It's not really.
Hold up. I think I see one.
Too far.
Am I in?
Yep. That's one. I'm gonna get it in here and rotate it. There's like a little nipple on this thing. This little nipple right here. So you gotta rotate it back to fit inside the screw.
Alright, so you should be able to
Rotate it like that. Until it fits back. Get it like that.
Yeah. That should, I think, should be alright.
You should see like all 3 holes.
Yeah, I see more.
Alright, so I'm gonna get this one in. Just make sure this little nipple fits inside the knuckle right there. And let's go.
Yep.
Gotta rotate it until you see one. I think that's it right here. That's it?
Yeah, I see one. Oh,
Lost it?
hold up.
That's it?
One.
Hold on.
There you go.
Okay.
2. So first we have to lower this.
Lower the jack.
Yeah. Oh, it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy back there. Yep.
Alright.
Take that all the way. And just lower it down.
Yeah, I'm
Damn. Damn. Fuck. Is there anything under here? I want to snap the fucking joints. There we go. It's right there.
Alright, now you have to, the nipple's not going in.
Huh?
Nipple. You gotta turn to the
Oh.
right. Yeah, perfect. And our favorite part, the jacking part.
Yep. You know, just the jack right here. And pretty much just push in place.
Yeah, do that. Yeah, there you go. Alright, now this part.
Just be careful. Just go ahead. Alright, stop. Alright, go ahead. One more. One more.
Is it already sliding in?
Yeah. Damn there. Alright, that's good.
It's already in?
Yeah. Just tighten up top. Spurt and snap in.
Damn. Alright, it wasn't as fucking violent as the other one.
These ones didn't snap out this time. So now we're just gonna take our spindle spreaders out, and we pretty much have our H&Rs installed. E12s are in up top, and we're pretty much done. Gee. All right, so we're pretty much done installing the H&R sport springs on my X3, and man, it's a massive difference. Like compared to the stock height, I could probably just put a picture up on the screen. But compared to stock height, it's such a big difference. Like the front's at so much lower right now. We just took it for a test drive. I didn't film that because I want to have like a separate video after everything is settled in and dialed in. Kind of give you guys a full perspective on it. So I didn't want to do that prematurely. But anyways, the backs, I could fit 4 fingers in there. I mean, my hands are relatively big, but 4 fingers in there. Up front, maybe, what's that? 3 fingers. 3 fingers pretty much could fit in there up front. So, yeah, I want to say the backs dropped 0.75 or almost an inch. And the front is a lot closer to 2 inches. On H&R's our website or the box, it said 0.75 and an inch, but it's a lot lower than that. And it's still never dialed in yet. But we just took it for a test drive. Raining, so. But the front, it looks really good. It looks so good. And just switching to like a wide angle perspective here, you can see how much lower that sits. Look at the front. It sits so low. So low. So that's pretty good. If you're in a dilemma where you're trying to lower your SUV, you don't need the super sport springs, and you don't need anything lower than maybe 1.5, 1.75, because it's gonna sit a lot closer to 2 inches and drop after you're done. So anything more than that is probably gonna blow your suspension. But this is a perfect job for me. I don't see a reason to lower it any lower than this. My only thing is that I might need some spacers. Maybe not. We'll see how that goes. But it looks good, man. It looks really good. I think this is probably the best money spent. But we have new tires to install, so we have some DWS 06s right here. We kind of stuck with the same stock numbers, so 245s in the front and then 275s in the rear. Kind of just keep it same. I really didn't see the need for wider tires, or at least when I was looking for the tires, I couldn't find the 285s that I wanted for the rear, so I just kind of kept it OEM to save me the headache. But we're gonna get these installed in the coming week, and then we're gonna do an alignment on the X3. And after that, I'll give you guys my full impression on the vehicle. But yeah, I'm pretty happy, as you can tell. I'm bursting with excitement now. So we're gonna just get this settled in. We got a couple errands to do today, so we're gonna be doing a bunch of driving. And yeah, by next week, this should be all settled in. Then we'll do our alignment, install our new tires, and then pretty set to go. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and see you next one. Peace.